Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of LLM agents. These are not your average chatbots, they're intelligent systems designed to interact with the world, learn, and make decisions. We'll explore what they are, how they work, and why they're poised to revolutionize AI. We'll start by understanding the limitations of basic LLMs and then see how agents overcome these challenges. Get ready for a comprehensive look at the future of autonomous AI. Understanding basic LLMs, the foundation and limitations. To truly grasp LLM agents, we need to understand the fundamental capabilities of large language models. At their core, LLMs are designed for next token prediction. They analyze text and predict the most likely next word, or token, in a sequence. By stringing these predictions together, they generate coherent text, mimic conversations, and answer questions. While impressive, LLMs have inherent limitations. One major drawback is their lack of persistent memory. They don't inherently remember past conversations. Each interaction is treated as a new prompt. They also struggle with tasks like basic math. This begs the question, are LLMs fundamentally flawed? Absolutely not. We can compensate for these limitations through external tools, memory mechanisms, and retrieval systems. This is where the concept of the augmented LLM, championed by Anthropic, comes into play. Augmented LLM and the core components of LLM agents. The augmented LLM is the foundation for LLM agents. It recognizes that LLMs aren't meant to be all-encompassing but rather powerful building blocks. Agents are designed to interact with their environment, much like humans do. They typically consist of environments, the world they operate in, sensors, to observe that environment, actuators, tools for interaction, and effectors, the brain, that decides what actions to take. In the context of LLMs, the environment is observed through textual input, and actions are performed using tools like web search or code execution. The key to an agent's effectiveness is its ability to plan, which relies on reasoning and thinking through methods like chain of thought. The more an LLM decides how the system behaves, the more agentic it is considered. We'll now delve into the three key components of autonomous behavior: memory, tools, and planning. Short-term memory, leveraging the context window. Let's start with short-term memory, also known as working memory. This is the agent's immediate context, including recent actions. The most straightforward way to implement this is by utilizing the LLM's context window. This is the amount of text an LLM can process at once. Modern LLMs often have context windows of thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands, of tokens. A large context window allows you to store the entire conversation history within the prompt. This effectively tells the LLM what happened, mimicking memory. However, this isn't true memorization. It's simply feeding the LLM the necessary information. But what happens when the conversation exceeds the context window? Short-term memory, summarization and context management. For models with smaller context windows, or when conversations are lengthy, we can employ summarization. We use another LLM to condense the conversation into a shorter summary, retaining only the most vital information. This summary is then included in the prompt, along with the latest interaction. By continuously summarizing, we keep the prompt size manageable while preserving essential context. This is a practical approach to managing short-term memory, especially when dealing with limited resources. Long-term memory, vector databases and embeddings. Now, let's explore long-term memory. This involves storing information over extended periods, like an agent's past experiences and knowledge. A common technique is to use an external vector database. First, conversations, interactions, and actions are converted into numerical representations called embeddings. These embeddings capture the semantic meaning of the text. They are then stored in the vector database. When the agent needs to recall past information, it can query the database using similar embeddings, retrieving relevant context. This allows the agent to learn and adapt over time, just like humans do. Tools, expanding the LLM's reach and functionality. Tools are the key to enabling LLMs to interact with the external world. They expand the LLM's capabilities beyond simple text generation. Tools can connect to databases, allowing the LLM to retrieve and manipulate information. They can also interact with external applications, such as running custom code to perform specific tasks. This opens up a wide range of possibilities. Imagine an LLM agent that can not only answer questions about the stock market but also execute trades based on real-time data. Or an agent that can not only draft an email but also send it and manage your calendar. Tools bridge the gap between the LLM's theoretical knowledge and practical application. Planning, reasoning and chain of thought for complex tasks. The ability to plan is what truly distinguishes an LLM agent from a simple chatbot. This involves reasoning and thinking through methods like chain of thought. Chain of thought prompting breaks down complex tasks into smaller, manageable steps. The LLM is guided to explain its reasoning at each stage, making it more transparent and reliable. This allows it to tackle problems that would be impossible with simple prompting. Planning enables the agent to decide which tools to use and when, based on the current context and its goals. It allows the agent to adapt to changing circumstances and make informed decisions. The importance of autonomy and agency. The level of autonomy is a key factor in determining how agentic a system is. The more the LLM decides how the system behaves, the more autonomous it is considered. This involves not only planning but also self-reflection and adaptation. True agency requires the LLM to be able to evaluate its performance, identify errors, and adjust its strategies accordingly. This is a complex area of research, but it's crucial for developing truly intelligent and adaptable agents. Real-world applications and the future of LLM agents. LLM agents have the potential to revolutionize various industries. Imagine agents that can automate customer service, provide personalized education, or conduct scientific research. They can also be used to create intelligent assistants that can manage our daily lives, from scheduling appointments to managing our finances. The future of LLM agents is bright. As LLMs continue to evolve and become more powerful, we can expect to see even more sophisticated agents emerge, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Conclusion: embracing the era of intelligent agents. In conclusion, LLM agents represent a significant leap forward in AI. By combining the power of LLMs with memory, tools, and planning capabilities, we can create autonomous systems that can interact with the world in a meaningful way. This technology has the potential to transform our lives and reshape the future of AI. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of LLM agents. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.